Hi everyone! Welcome back to Saas Pro. Today, we're going to learn how to log into YouTube without Google in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to browse anonymously or avoid using a Google account, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your computer's applications. Step 2. Once your Chrome page opens, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots beside your profile icon, just next to the bookmark star. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. Step 3. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, click on New Incognito Window. This will open a new window where you can browse the internet without being logged into any accounts, including Google. Step 4. In the incognito window, click on the search bar at the top and type YouTube. Press Enter, and then click on the official YouTube website from the search results. This will take you to YouTube's homepage. Step 5. Now you're all set. You can watch any video on YouTube without logging into a Google account. While you won't have access to personalized features like comments or playlists, you can still enjoy all the content YouTube has to offer. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.